Apa itu?
Pisau.
Dari siapa?
Daddy.
Who gave it to you?
Grandma and Grandpa.
Yep. What do you do with it? Okay, show me, Nat. What's that you're holding, Nat?
And cucumber.
Cucumber. It's not Indonesian if you say it that way.
Mentimun, nak.
Mentimun. Or cucumber. There's not a cucumber. That's not right. Ooh, you're slicing it. What are you going to slice next?
Watermelon.
Yep. Apa itu di bahasa Indonesia?
Semangka.
Semangka, pinter. Watermelon, that's right. Good job. Okay.
Nih, kamu pinggirin, mas kesini lagi. Kalau udah dipotong. Asya sini sayang. Asya sini sayang.
Asya
kalau
mau
jatuh.
Asya
Tapi
mau
kalau
main
jatuh.
juga. She also wants to play. Okay.
Kalau jatuh,
What do you say to Kirana? Look at the camera. Look at the camera. What? Look at the camera. What do you say to Grandma and Grandpa? What do you say?
Thank you.
Yep. Good job.
Jadi Asya juga mau. Asya potong pakai tangan. Asya mau potong pakai tangan nih.
Potong pakai tangan. Try it. See if you can cut it with your hands, Asya.
Dimakan langsung, masih dipotong.